So unfortunately, this engine suffered from either a head gasket failure or the cylinder liners, which are a wet sleeve. One of them had coolant in it when I removed the spark plugs. So I have done many science experiments trying to get this to turn, and I've not been successful. So what I could do is I could take the engine forward section of this tractor and put it on the front of this one. I could do that by, taking this loader frame off and or just lifting it up. Nope, it's kind of a puzzle. Things are welded